Good everybody, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. Hey, I wanted to take you through the top 10 right now, walking you through what's going on right now as I see in the market. We've been holding. We have been holding. Does that mean we're going to get upside today? No, it does not. But it's starting to build and look a little bit more positive than negative. Right now across the top 10 we are down apart from BSV, which is up 4.99%. Ever so slow, I shouldn't say ever so slightly. That's a pretty good day for anything really. Bitcoin down 0.68, the rest of the market down more than that. And yeah, I mean, it's just hanging in there right now, hanging around that 8,000 mark, bashing around. I want to see it get above, first of all, a high of 8,300, get me above there. And then obviously I want to get above 8,462, get above the high that we saw in that last run up. Then we'll have a nice higher low on that daily. Weekly still looking good, still quite strong. It closed strong yesterday with the close above 8,000, which was really positive there, and I'm just waiting to see what it does today. Very slow little pause at the moment. It's consolidating, but not into a breakout from my point of view. Nothing to trade there just yet. It's at 81.19, down 0.6%. Ethereum is at 144.17, down 1.48%. And again, it is sort of hanging sideways, just not doing a great deal in there. Around that 150 level, there is a little bit of resistance. It's slightly above 153. But right now we're down 1.48%, not a great deal there. Again, that consolidation there. There's a bit of resistance around 148 to smash through. Fingers crossed we do smash through, and nothing really more to say. EOS is at $3.12. Don't mind the way this trend looks. If I have a look at this on the 4 hour, it actually looks better on the 8. The higher the time frame, the better this trend is actually performing. Don't mind the look of that chart right now on the daily. We do have a really nice uptrend here with very, very obvious and succinct higher lows and higher highs. I'm really kind of liking the look of this chart. It's back in the cradle zone on the weekly. But for the time being, looking at the shorter or the lower time frames right now, $3.12 down 2.19%. Still, Lumens is probably one of the most ugly charts. It was all pretty much the most ugly chart of 2019 for me as far as tradable goes. Really horrendous looking thing. I've got to be honest. It's become real thin, real spiky, real all over the shop. Don't really like it. Mind you, that is on the Bittrex chart that I'm looking at. I need to change that. It's at 4.8 cents, down 1.64%, looking pretty shocking today. XRP against USD at 21 cents, down 1.6% right now. It's pulled back into the old level of 20 cents. It's holding above right now, that 21 handle. I want to see it push above. I want to see it clear that 22.5 high, giving us a higher low and higher high. Second confirmation of that market move. There's a little bit of resistance at 23.4, but not a great deal. It's too much of an issue for me right now. Litecoin down 3.63% at $49.66. I don't mind the look of this chart. I think it was the 8 and 12. Yeah, the 8's in that cradle. So's the 16 there. Not looking too bad, or a little bit of resistance. Actually, no, I'm not too concerned. No, I'm not too concerned about 52 level. $50 is more the area I want to see us bust through quite well. Waiting to see what goes on there in the next few hours as that candle comes to close. Bitcoin Cash holding in that consolidation, which is a pattern that it has been doing a little bit between its moves. It's currently at $267.67, down 1.16%. But the last couple of moves on these higher lows that we've seen, we sort of ran up to 250-ish, pulled back, sort of held, consolidated for a good couple of days. Then we ran up again where we're sitting right now around that 270 mark, consolidated for a little bit. I'd love to see it take out the high of 278.75, so hit 279, and then we'll have a nice trend in flow right there, waiting to see what goes on there. Binance against Tether right now. We do have a higher high, but I just don't like this from a trading point of view right now. I'd like to see it extend further on that daily chart. We're at $15.15. Rather see it around that $16, extend out a little bit more, and then I'll buy the pullbacks. It's down 1.21%. Tron having a bit of a hard time, as it has been for quite some time now. It's at 1.4 cents and it's down 1.19%. Not too much to speak of beyond that. And very similar said with Cardano, 3.7 cents, down 2%. Not much there in the way of good cyclicity on the chart. BSV, the big dog, having a good run. And a lot of this hinges, of course, on Craig Wright and his access to the Genesis key, the 1 million Bitcoin. Look, I'm happy to trade this, and there was a wonderful trade An absolute doozy, crackerjack back here of a breakout, a Bitcoin breakout trade. I know that many of you in the community did in fact take this, which, you're up over 20% right now, a multiple of 20. So if you put 1,000 in, you've made $20,000, or 100 in, that's $2,000, and it happened very, very quickly. Now, of course, you can move your stops up because we do have a higher low there on that 4-hour time frame. And yeah, you're locking in some big bucks there. So it has been setting up some good opportunities. I wasn't there at the time. I was still in Noosa, so I wasn't able to take that trade. For those that did, well done. For those that don't know what I'm talking about, that's on you, not me. If you don't know what the Bitcoin breakout is, you know where to find it. You've known for quite some time. We're at $173. We're up 5.2%, and it is the absolute leader in the top 10 right now as we see it. So ladies and gentlemen, we're keeping an eye on what's going on today. Slightly a little bit more pullback, a little bit more buying coming in, but ever so gently, ever so slight. What I want to see is I want to see a nice clear push on. I want to see a nice clear push higher, get that trend dominant to the upside, get that confirmation of a new higher high, and then we'll see more opportunities coming into the market. If you haven't already, guys, get across to tradercobb.com. Check out what we're doing there. Got the new course coming up very, very shortly, so get your spot. Anyone who already has done the course, who has access as a lifetime membership, you are more than welcome. You will get access to the new course when it comes out. It will be shorter, and it'll only be one course, so they will not be broken into individuals. It will be one course, 3 strategies, 3 checklists for you. Get it done. Speak soon. Bye for now.